Want to know how to go viral on YouTube? Whether you're a brand new creator, just starting your channel, or you're an established YouTuber looking to take your content to the next level, this video has everything you need to know. We'll break down proven strategies, tips, and insider tricks that can help you unlock the secret to viral success. From understanding YouTube's algorithm to optimizing your content for maximum reach, we've got you covered. Ready to make your videos explode online? Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Create engaging, high-quality content. The most important step to going viral on YouTube is making sure your videos grab attention right from the start. You only have a few seconds to convince viewers to keep watching, so make those seconds count. Your videos should be fun, exciting, or offer something valuable to the audience. Whether you're doing comedy, tutorials, unboxings, or challenges, the key is to hook your viewers quickly. Think about what will make people want to watch your video. Maybe it's a funny moment, a shocking fact, or an interesting question that gets people curious. And remember, good quality matters. Clear video, good lighting, and crisp audio make a huge difference. If your content looks and sounds great, people are more likely to stick around. So, whether you're teaching something new or making people laugh, always focus on creating something that's engaging from the very first second. If you capture their attention early, they'll keep watching, and that's the first step to going viral. Remember, the first 5 to 10 seconds are key. Make those moments count by being exciting, funny, or mysterious to get people to keep watching.
Tip number 2, optimize your video for search. If you want your video to be seen by more people, you need to make sure it's easy to find. The best way to do that is by optimizing your video for search. This means using the right words and titles that help YouTube understand what your video is about and show it to the right viewers. First, make sure your title is catchy and clear. You want it to grab attention, but also tell people exactly what the video is about. Keep it short but exciting, something that makes people want to click. For example, instead of just how to bake a cake, try something like the easiest way to bake a delicious cake in 10 minutes. Next, add relevant keywords to your video description. Think about what people might search for when looking for videos like yours. Include those words naturally in your description so YouTube can understand your content and match it with the right audience. Keywords are like clues that help the algorithm know what your video is about. Don't forget about tags. Tags are another way to help people find your video. Use words and phrases that are related to your content and what people are searching for. For example, if your video is about baking, use tags like baking tips, easy recipes, or how to bake a cake. This helps YouTube know exactly who to show your video to. So remember, a clear, catchy title, a detailed description with keywords, and the right tags are all things that can help your video get found. The more people find it, the more views you'll tail it.
Tip number 3. Create eye-catching thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing people notice when they scroll through YouTube, so it needs to grab their attention. If your thumbnail looks boring or unclear, they might skip your video without even clicking. To make sure that doesn't happen, here's what you can do. 1. Use bright colors. Bright colors like red, yellow, or blue really stand out. For example, if your video is about a fun challenge, a thumbnail with a bright yellow background will catch the eye. 2. Add big, bold text. Make sure the text is easy to read, even on a small phone screen. If your video is about top 5 movie moments, you could add big text saying top 5 moments in bold, colorful letters. 3. Use a clear image. The picture should show exactly what your video is about. If you're making a cooking video, show a delicious dish you're preparing. If it's a gaming video, show an action-packed moment from the game. Remember, a good thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or skipping it. So, take a little extra time to make it eye-catching and clear.
Tip number 4, be consistent. Upload regularly. If you want to grow your channel, it's important to upload videos on a regular basis. Consistency is key. Here's how you can do it. Scene 1, setting a schedule. Imagine you're planning your videos like a weekly event. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, pick a schedule that works for you. For example, let's say you choose to upload every Friday at 5 p.m. When people know when to expect your new videos, they'll be excited to watch and will come back each week. Scene 2, the more the better. The more videos you upload, the more chances you have to be seen. Think of it like this. If you only post once a month, it's like having only one chance to be noticed. But if you upload every week, you get many chances to go viral and reach new viewers. More videos equals more opportunities. Scene 3, building your audience. Look at some successful YouTubers. You'll notice they upload on a regular schedule. Whether it's once a week or every other day, they keep their fans coming back. Just like your favorite TV show has a regular time, your YouTube videos should too. So pick a schedule that works for you, stick to it, and watch your audience grow. Remember, the more consistent you are, the bigger your channel will become. So stick to a schedule that works for you. Upload regularly and watch your channel grow. Tip number 5, share your video everywhere. Don't just wait for people to find your video on YouTube. To get more views, you need to share your video on other places too. The more you share, the more people will see it. Here's how to do it. First, share your video on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. For example, if you make a fun cooking video, you can share a short clip on Instagram with a link to the full video on YouTube. On Facebook, you can post the video link with a catchy message like, "Check out this amazing recipe I just made." Next, ask your friends and followers to help share your video. The more people who share it, the more people will see it. For example, you could message your friends saying, "Hey, check out my new video and share it if you like it." The more shares your video gets, the bigger the audience you reach. Also, use different platforms in different ways. On TikTok, post a fun preview or behind-the-scenes clip with a link to your YouTube video. On Twitter, share the video and ask people to retweet it. The more places you post, the more people you can reach, and the higher the chance your video will go viral. So don't just post on YouTube, share everywhere. The more you share and the more your friends share, the bigger your reach will be.